The Blue Bar Ranch is 1.5 hours from Dallas and within 20 minutes of the Choctaw Gaming and Event Center at Durant, Oklahoma. This magnificent ranch offers diversity, beauty, income opportunities from raising cattle, and multiple hunting options including whitetail deer, turkey, waterfowl, and so much more. With over 600 acres of open pasture, you can run cattle and put in food plots for deer without having to clear timber. The water on the ranch is exceptional with a 28-acre lake, a 9-acre lake, a 3.5-acre waterfowl lake slough, an oxbow lake that is about 1,400 feet long, and 14 additional ponds, in addition to about 2 miles of Blue River frontage. All the infrastructure is in place for handling deer. A fully enclosed barn with solid surround and air-conditioned chute leading to a spin-head gate. A long alleyway leads into the working barn, and multiple runs go off the alleyway to allow for sorting. A metal shop is already in place. An additional building has ductwork for central heat and air and could be finished out for a large bunkhouse and recreation hall. The 4-bedroom, 2-bath house with large deck that overlooks the 28-acre lake would make a nice house for guests or for a ranch manager. The 28-acre lake is stocked and has a boat dock. The property also contains a pecan orchard with mature, producing trees. About 1,050 acres is high fenced with the balance having barbed wire and T-posts. A private well provides water to the house and pens. Prolific clovers provide a carpet of the pastured areas along with many native grasses and some bermuda. Large hardwoods give cover and forage for the wildlife. Geese and several varieties of ducks visit the lakes and ponds. The existing road system allows for good mobility around the ranch, and many ATV trails are in place also. Where else can you find multiple private lakes, 2 miles of Blue River frontage, cattle production range, controlled deer breeding habitat, waterfowl hunting, pecan grove, and so much more? To view this property, call today.